Hi everyone, welcome to Amazing Women's World. In this video I'll show you how to do this designer Maharani blouse. Nowadays it is trendy and very fashionable in use. The title Maharani itself indicates immense rich look. Let's get started. The pattern is well designed in front as well as back with the 3/4 sleeves. This is a high neck designer blouse. For this project I would be using the raw silk pink color fabric and the golden lace, and I am using the princess cut pattern. If you are viewing this for the first time, I would request you to follow my earlier video for your guidance, or you may click the link appearing in front of your screen. Nowadays for the designer blouses they are following these 2 pieces princess cut pattern, and I am ready with this pattern. I left the neck and now I'll be showing the neck part. This is the front panel, and now I'll start marking the front neck, the neck width 3 inches and the neck deep 2.5 I am marking. You can go up to 3 for the high neck. Markings should be made on wrong side, and for this pattern I would be using the U-shaped neckline. Trim off the extras. This is how it looks. Now I'll be showing the sleeves. So for this pattern I would be using the 3/4 sleeves. Fold the 2 pieces fabric into 4 and start marking near the folded side, laying the outfit. Start marking the armhole length and the sleeve length. The sleeve length here I would be marking 16 inches. Sleeve ends is 5.5 inches, and add extra 1.5 inch for the seaming. Now start trimming off the extras. Now make a center notch and hold the 2 pieces of and trim the 1/4 inch. This is for the front side. Now I'll show you how to do the back part. This is the pattern I am having already. I'll show you the measurements. 3 inches is the shoulder, and the chest line is 9.5 inches, and the waist length is 9 inches. Total length I am taking is 14 inches. I lay the pattern on this fabric and trim off the extras. Now I'll show you how to mark the neck line for the back pattern. So 3 inches is the neck width, and the neck deep I would be marking 2 inches. Mark the U shape. Mark the armhole sides with extra seaming. And I also mark the half circle down to the neck deep, leaving 1 inch. If you are not comfortable, Unfold the fabric and in the center mark the circle. I'm ready with the markings. I'll trim off the extras, sides, armhole, neckline and then half circle. This is how it looks, and I will be preparing hooks to this back panel, so I'll trim in the center. Now I'll join this golden piping to the necklines and the circle to the hook strip. Start sewing, placing right on right. Raw edges should face each other and turn to the other side. Do the top stitch. This is how you should follow for the entire blouse. Apply the piping to the neckline and the other parts. Turn the piping to the other side and do the top stitch for both front and back panels. This piping will give the perfect outlining to your blouse and also to your structure. For this piping, I use the cross strips. Insert in the cord in the middle. Using the cross strips for the piping, you can easily move or run near the curved areas. See how easily we can move the piping to the other side near the curved areas. I'm doing this for the another side of the back panel. Follow the instructions as said earlier and start sewing. Turn the piping to the wrong side and do the top stitch. And also apply the piping to the hooks and eye strap and also the under waist. I'm ready with the back panel, the circle, hooks and eye straps. Now I'll be join this with the golden beads lace to the hooks strip. I'm ready with the beads, and now I'll do the darts to the back panel, and also I'll apply dori to the neckline. Firstly, I'll join the dori to the starting point of the circle. Now I'll sew the darts. Fold it into half near the shoulder line, and from the down part of the waist should come up 3 inches should be made for the back darts. Now I'll join the piping to the waist for the back panel. And to this dori, I would be joining the hangings. I've done with the back panel. Applied piping to neckline, circle, hooks and eye strap, and also the waist. Now I'll be joining the piping to the front panel. Place right on right and start sewing. Turn to the other side and do the top stitch. Now I'll be showing the designing part. For this project I'll be using the kundans of different shapes and sizes, and also the stone line. The shapes is in flowers and leaves, and also some pink kundans. Start applying the glue around the neckline to stick the stone line. Then I'll be sticking the flower shaped kundans, leaving a little gap. And start sticking gently by pressing on the top of the kundan. This is for the showing purpose, so I am applying the glue. For the long run, I would recommend to do the invisible stitch. In between the gaps, I will be sticking the leaves. Then I would be sticking this gold thin lace. Apply the fabric glue and start sticking the gold lace. For this Maharani blouse, the design plays the key role. The heavy the design, the rich it looks. You can do the �𝐻𝐿 or any hand stitches. Now I'd be sticking the different shapes of the kundans, like pink and the flower shaped silver kundans, one after the another. Now next I would be sticking the gold lace, again following the sticking of kundans, pink and silver kundans. This Maharani blouse, the design should be elevated from the neckline till the bust line. Leave the 1/4 inch on the top for the shoulder joining, then start your designing. Now stick the stone line. Finally, down to the stone line, I would be sticking the drop shaped kundans along with the motis, that means pearls. Let it dry for some time. Now to the sleeve endings, I'll be joining the piping and also the golden lace. I'll be joining the golden lace, leaving 1 inch gap. The gold lace here applying 2 times, and if you want to design the sleeves also, you can do in between this gold, or it's optional. Follow the same instructions for the another sleeve, and I also join the piping to the waist of the front panel. I'm done with the bodies. Now I'll be joining the shoulders of front and back panels, placing right side of the front panel on the right side of the back panel. Start sewing on the wrong side. Now I'll join the sleeves to the bodies. Place the right side of the sleeve on the right side of the bodies. Start joining. Make sure that the knot center should meet the shoulder joining. This will ensure that the lining is properly settled. Follow the same instructions for the other side of the sleeve and join the bodice to the sleeve. Now it's time to join the sides of the sleeve and the bodice, leaving 1.5 inch for the seaming and start sewing on the marked lines. Join the other side. Now I'll be joining this leaf shaped kundans in the center of the gaps of flowers like this V shape. To complete this design, I'm done with this beautiful designer Maharani blouse. It looks really very pretty and beautiful. Please try it. The heavy design that gives very richness. You can try this wearing on any simple saree for the party wear and bridal wear. For this blouse, the front and back both were designed very rich and heavy work. Please try it and make it. Do subscribe to watch more videos of latest fashions and stay tuned. Don't forget to leave your comments. If you like this video, hit the like button. Bye for now.